Welcome to UKey Wallet. In this video, you'll learn how to back up and import your wallet on UKey Wallet app using UKey Seed Ring. To get started, tap the menu icon to open the sidebar. Select Settings, choose Backup. Next, select UKey Seed Ring as a backup option. Tap Backup to continue. Select the wallet that you want to backup. Next, enter the device's passcode to proceed. Place the UKey Seed Ring near your phone's NFC reading area. Tap Connect Device and keep the ring positioned correctly until the connection is complete. To protect your ring, please create a ring pin. Set up a 6-digit PIN and confirm it. Scan your ring one more time. Your wallet is successfully backed up. You can recover your wallet with this UKey Seed Ring at any time. Now, let's learn how to import your wallet using UKey Seed Ring. First, tap Create or Import Wallet. Select Import Wallet to continue. Choose UKey Seed Ring as your import method and enter the ring PIN. For security reasons, the ring will be disabled after 10 incorrect PIN attempts and cannot be used again. Place the UKey Seed Ring near your phone's NFC reading area. Tap Connect Device and keep the ring positioned correctly until the connection is complete. Then create and confirm a 6-digit passcode for your app. You can also enable passcode protection, which automatically resets the app after 10 consecutive failed attempts. Once your passcode is set, your wallet has been successfully imported. UKey Seed Ring makes self-custody simple. Securely back up and import your wallet whenever you need it.